Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy M31s and I'm gonna show you how to take motion photo in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's move to this button, the second from the right. By just one tap here we can turn on the motion photo, another tap to turn it off when we don't need it. Now let me keep this turn it on. When we have this, we can get two in one, the short clip and the photo at the same time. So let me show you how it works by taking a picture. To see it, let's move to the left corner at the bottom to this button. Here we get quick access to the gallery, and this is our photo. Here we have access to view motion photo option, so let's tap on it. And as you can see, this is how it looks like the short clip, so we have this one and the picture itself. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.